Hey guys, this is MarketWatch from Branch 22 Capital with another watch list and market update for the week starting June 6th. I'm not gonna be actively trading this week. I'm going away, but I will post if I see something interesting. As far as this week, we noticed that market is in kind of bear flag upward channel, as you see here on 15 minutes chart. We post, you can see it here clearly. This is the place on Friday where we post. I have it here on a Twitter account. It was on June 3rd at 10 o'clock. The 15-minute short-term bounce possible here because of 200 moving average and the downtrend line. And this is exactly what happens. We noticed and predicted this bounce. In a longer term, I would say that we have this bear flag, and sooner or later we will break down and we'll test this upper trend line from the downward channel we broke out here on May 23rd. So either it's gonna be this trend line from the green trend line, or the red trend line from the bigger downward channel from the daily chart. You see here. As far as a trade, I took gold trade this week. It was my way to kind of hedge the market. It was based on this chart. We noticed beautiful downward channel in gold corp, so I enter here on the downtrend line and get nice 2 points up to here. Another trade I'm currently in, I took a Sony trade, noticing this strong resistance here. I believe this is where I did enter. Right now we are still on this resistance, which is stop loss at the same time. Remember, this is short. Another trade I took was a pot cash. I took it right here. This is the red square. I noticed the upward channel. We broke out and we test this red trend line from the upward channel from the daily chart. I didn't get back in long, so right now we are right on this trend line here on pot cash. So we either break out or it's gonna be resistant, and we're gonna get back and test another one more time the lower trend line. Let me see. I believe this thing is really slow. I'll apologize. As far as watch list for next week, liquidity service. The liquidity service is still at the resistance, strong resistance from these two trend lines. Archer Daniels Midland, same thing, it's still at the resistance, so I'm looking for this one as the short. The yellow line is the stop, so it's right on the stop. I mentioned already Sony, American Express, oh, I completely forgot Tesla. I took Tesla as well. I was hoping for a bigger move down, breaking out from this upward channel. You can see it on the daily chart better. I was hoping that we'll pull back all the way and test the upper trend line of the downward channel. I got a couple of points, but it wasn't a big position in Tesla after breakdown. Next one is Juno. Juno is interesting setup. It's in a downward channel, and also we have kind of ascending triangle, so I'm hoping for a breakout. I'm not in this position after a breakout. I consider either getting right after a breakout, or we will definitely after breakout we'll test the trend line again, and then this is a good entry point. I'm in Boeing. Boeing is in a downward channel combined with this long trend line starting on February 15. So I noticed this trend line draw on the chart, and also this pullback in a downward with very bullish stochastics. Right now we had one more rotation. We're gonna break out from the stochastic, and also this move just began. So I'm hoping at least move to the upper trend line. I believe there is still time to get into the Boeing. And also the Corning I posted on stock tweets. Right now is on a very strong resistance. We have this resistance at 2108, and with this trend line, I think this is very strong resistance. So with upward channel, this thing is overextend. So I think at this point is interesting short. Tyson Fu. Okay, last one. Let's do the Starbucks. Starbucks, I noticed this downward channel. It's not on a lower trend line when I would like to see it. You have this point mark. The stochastic is kind of embedded, so I'm hoping for another that the price will pull down all the way to this trend line. This thing is a golden spot combining of these two trend lines. So Starbucks is definitely on the watch list. All right, guys, good luck, and I see you around.